am hired to speak there. So it is right I often take my part, for a hired tongue never tires at heart. But people make such a noise and riot that scarcely anyone rests in quiet. One counsels, another brays and cries. One threatens, another claims and lies. One curses, another babbles folly's part. Another says, let it not be so at heart. When one weeps and another laughs with glee. When one asks for water and another for wine, you see. When one chases, another flees away. When one hides himself, another shouts all day. Whoever speaks in such a noise and clatter, that word is lost and does not matter. And lost it is just the same, a word when no man understands its aim. For it would be worth as much full many a time if a man said it to the walls or spoke in pantomime. Like many men there are who go around, and 100 of them in the world are found. When they have heard a story told and done, they will never know what has been said, not one. And he has a good will to talk and pray, who's taught to tell that tale to them too late. There are others who make themselves out wise, who have a will to criticize, and they have taken it up for just this cause, whether you speak well or whether you speak flaws. Before the hour is done, you will be reproved, as though he were wise and courtly and well loved, and is a talker and knows much for sure. But no man hears or sees in truth the cure, that many times more sense belongs to the reproved than to the reprover's throng. One thinks he reproves another man when the other can reprove him as he can. But in this all are workmen, it would seem, for each one does according to his scheme. A wicked man, when he works his wickedness, is like the good man doing his good no less. The good man listens so he may learn and grow, and the wicked for the will to reprove just so. The good man listens and understands aright, where such a good understandings lie, that if he heard a word of good told there, he learns it and keeps it in his care. And the wicked man sets himself to hear, if he might hear a bad word spoken clear. And when he hears it, he makes a great cackle and noise, and it is not a thing that is hidden in straw's disguise. And these two act like courtly men by this test, for each one takes what is his own as his best. For the good man goes off with his good word and leaves the bad all there unstirred, and the wicked man goes off with his bad word in hand, and if there is any good he cares not a strand, for he is like a sieve. This is that case that keeps the ugly and gives the fair for grace, and lets the flower pass through and be gone. And who keeps the worst of what he has heard upon, of what he hears